So today what I want to show you is a really easy salad that I just came up with, and it's what we've been eating. We have a lot of tomatoes this summer, and so I have found this salad to help me and all of us eat all these wonderful tomatoes from my garden. So I'm going to walk you through everything that is needed for this really easy salad, and it is, of course, your tomatoes, and I have them all chopped bite size. And I've got this beautiful rainbow of tomatoes. You're going to need some cucumber, some cabbage, red cabbage. If you don't have red cabbage, you don't even have to use it, but I really like the crunch that it gives. Some bell pepper, and I have yellow bell pepper, and some garbanzo beans right here, and about a cup of garbanzo, not too many beans. And then this is the secret ingredient that really gives it a kick, and it's called Paximadi, and it's a Greek word, and it comes from Crete, and I get it, this is what it looks like when I get it from my Greek bakery, Greek store that sells all the Greek products, and it's barley. It comes in several different wheat tastes and flavors, and here are the ingredients. You've got whole grain barley, salt, and yeast, and it is absolutely delicious. But when you get it out of the package, it's rock hard. So what you want to do is, I'm going to show you how to prepare this, but we're going to wait a little bit for that. So that way you don't break your teeth on it. So the easiest thing I'm going to show you is just put everything in the bowl. And you're just going to chop your little cucumbers. And I have little baby cucumbers this time, but on normal days, when I have normal cucumbers, it's just put everything in here. You want to put your garbanzo beans on top. And now I'm going to show you how we prepare the Paximadi. So you're going to put it in a bowl, and this is really hard stuff. And you're going to put some warm water over it. And I usually just let it soak for about 3 or 4 minutes. That's what I'm going to do, and while that's soaking, we're going to make the salad dressing for this salad. And all you're going to need is some Dijon mustard, some apple cider vinegar. You're going to need some agave. If you don't want to use agave, you can pull some dates in there. And then if you want your salad dressing to become thick, kind of thick, then you can use some xanthan gum. And I get this from Bob's Red Mill. And so I really don't measure everything out, but it's about half a cup of vinegar. I'm going to use about a 1/4 cup of agave. And then I really like to use a big teaspoon of mustard. And then I use about a 1/4 teaspoon of the xanthan gum. And then 1 big tablespoon of the mustard. And you can use these ingredients with any mustard. I've got several salad recipes, and you'll notice that I use similar ingredients with the red wine vinegar and the balsamic vinegar. And then we're just gonna shake it up. And we're just going to put it to the side. And now we're going to go back to our Paximadi. And I'm going to drain the water. And let's see. It's softened up a little. So now we're going to spread it. And this is kind of like a crouton. And I have been using this on all of my salads lately. We're just going to break this over the salad. Now, when you add your dressing, the salad is done. If you're not ready to eat, we're not quite ready to eat dinner, so what I'll do is I'll cover it and put it in the fridge, and then when I'm right about to eat it, we'll put the dressing on. So we're going to come back when that time is time. Okay, it's dinner time. So now what we're going to do is just pour the dressing on top. And this will get absorbed by that delicious Paximadi. And I'm gonna use a spoon today because everything is bite-sized. And just mix it up well. You can put olives in here. You can put whatever you want. You can, instead of garbanzos, you can put lentils. I mean, it's just endless possibilities. Okay, there's your salad, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna eat it with tonight. Okay, so today's dinner is leftover dinner and salad. So I've got just the salad that we just made together. I've got some leftover zucchini that I put a video of this in the link below. And then the kids are eating leftover pasta with leftover sauce. That's it. Thanks for watching.